MSME सेक्टर में डेटा के अलावा सब कुछ मिलता है. We have idea about lot of things, but we are not precise. And I think, how do you survive in a competitive environment where business has to make decisions every day without data? I think that's something that causes so much stress in organizations, and therefore this is a very, very important topic. What is data and how does it fuel business growth? 1 gram of information 1 kilo of data के बराबर है. 1 gram of knowledge 1 kilo of information के बराबर है. 1 gram of understanding 1 kilo of knowledge के बराबर है. And an ounce of wisdom is equal to a pound of understanding. So data is actually just the starting point. Data is not the end. It is just the beginning of decision making. We don't know in what situation what is the right thing to do, and data can help us, but we don't know that. And therefore, you are the person who will take all the decisions in the organizations. And आप बेचारे आप फायर फाइटिंग में लगते हैं, डिसीजंस पेंडिंग रहते हैं, एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की स्पीड और एफिशिएंसी दोनों सफ़र करती है. And this leads to a lot of stress in businesses. Please aspire to get control in your business first, and data is the only way that can give you control. And interestingly, it sounds very oxymoronish, but control is what gives freedom. So if you have control over your business and your data, you will have freedom to do what you want to do, to run the business that you want to do, to create what you want to create. And that freedom is completely missing today. मैंने MSMEs में देखा है कि टैली सब जगह पहुंचा हुआ है. छोटी से छोटे बिजनेस से मिड साइज बिजनेस से लार्ज साइज बिजनेस में टैली इज रनिंग, एंड टैली इज सफिशिएंट टू गिव यू डेटा एंड कंट्रोल. But we must make it a priority. We must understand that before we attempt to become big, we must attempt to become fit. And therefore, take decisions which make sense, base your decisions on data, and that will truly help you get control in business. A lot of people ask us that, so if we have data, will we always make the right decision? Not at all. You will always, mostly, and many a times, you will also make the wrong decisions. But yet, you will have a basis for making the decisions which will make course correction much, much easier. And therefore, the answer is not to use data. The answer is to get better at decision making, to get better at course correcting. Create simple charts from MIS reports. A lot of entrepreneurs get Excel reports. You can never make sense out of sheets and sheets of tables. आप डिसीजन नहीं निकाल पाएंगे उसमें से. इसीलिए एक स्टेप थोड़ा सा और आगे जाइए, उन रिपोर्ट्स को डैशबोर्ड्स में कन्वर्ट करिए. सिंपल चार्ट्स, पाई चार्ट्स, बार ग्राफ्स. You don't need to do anything fancy. Just make sure that you are comparing your numbers to your targets and you are comparing it to your history.
I would like to know more about the dashboards.
If you look at your car, right, it basically, you don't need to know minute by minute how is the temperature changing in your car. So all it shows you is whether you are in the red or the green. Exactly what a dashboard is. You have to get your data in a form which is a visual representation, because when we look at it visually, one, it's a very concise and summarized format. अब मैं गाड़ी की हेल्थ के लिए तो यार बहुत 100 पैरामीटर्स निकाल सकते हैं, पर आप डैशबोर्ड में देखोगे 3 चीजें होती हैं बस. आपको भी अपने बिजनेस में डिसाइड करना है वो कौन सी 3 चीजें हैं एज अ CEO जो मुझे देखनी है. एंड दोज 3 थिंग्स, लाइक आई मेंशन्ड बिफोर, should be seen in the reference to past data and should be seen in the reference to your targets. That's all you need to see it in reference to. What did I do in the past and where do I want to go?